Hey, what's happening? My name is Nick Martinez. I want to welcome you to the Pruvit community. Super excited that you're here. Welcome. Hold on, get ready for a journey to better. I want to take the next few minutes and just go through how you can make sure that you're fully connected with the Pruvit community. Simple things that you can do, simple things that you can be connected with that will just help you to have the information that you need. The first thing that you're going to want to make sure that you do is download the Pruvit Pulse app on your phone. If you have an iPhone, it's just in the App Store, type in Pruvit. In the Google phone, it's Google Play. Just go there, you'll find the Pruvit app. Download it, make sure that you can log in. It may take a day or two for your login to sync with the app, so if it's not available right away, just try back tomorrow. And it should let you in. Now, this app is how we communicate with you, right? You get notifications from promoters and your support team. You get notifications from the company where basically it's your pulse to what's going on in Pruvit. So it's really important that you have it. It's important that you're logged in, and it's important that you're continuously kind of just checking it and staying up to date with it. It's also a great tool that just gives you some good information. So the next thing that I want to talk about is Facebook. And if you haven't already, make sure that you're connected with Pruvit on both Instagram and Facebook. So Facebook, it's facebook.com/justpruvit. And we'll go there. Now, two things here that I want you to note. Number one, obviously make sure you've liked it. And then under following, make sure that you have see first. That way it shows up in your newsfeed and you're up to date. This is a great place just to stay connected, to stay in the know of what's going on within Pruvit. Okay, now that we have those out of the way, it's time to log into your cloud and to start just kind of seeing your cloud office, your business manager. So in order to log in, all you're going to do is go to pruvitnow.com. You can use your extension, or you can just go to the generic pruvitnow.com. You're going to click login. And when you get here, it's going to bring you to a login page. Now, sometimes people have trouble remembering their username and password. If that's the case, you can do a password reset. A lot of times the username is your email. Just keep that in mind. So I'm going to log in here. All right, once logged in, I'm logged into a promoter's account, Cameo. She's a brand new promoter with Pruvit. She's been doing this for a couple weeks now. And I'm just going to take you through a quick tutorial of the cloud. So on your homepage here, you're going to see the snapshot of what's kind of going on in your business. You're going to see what you have set up for your Smart Ship. Now, make sure that this is set up. You want to make sure your Smart Ship is active in order to be able to earn Pruvit bucks and a couple different things. So if it's not set up, click the setup button here. You can also change anything that you need to change. Another thing here to note is your share links. This will show you your referral code and then the websites that you have available. So Pruvit Now that we were just on. So Cameo's is youarefabulous.pruvitnow.com. That's awesome. I love it. So right here, you can see what your websites are. So if somebody asks you a question, hey, what's on your shirt? What's this ketone stuff? What you're probably going to do is send them to your experienceketo.com website, which is the campfire video. You're going to use this link. Now, you don't have to use it from here. This just gives you a reference of what your websites are. Go ahead and take a look at those so you're more familiar. Finally, we have downloads. If you want a resource to anything, there's a download for it. Tons and tons of information, flyers, everything that you need to know is in those downloads. Don't worry about downloading them right now. Let's worry just more about starting this conversation and getting the business going. Okay, you're going to see store, supplements, and membership. This is where you can go in, and if you need to buy more product, this is where you can do it from. It'll come up with the different options. Right now, the Keto Reboot's for sale. You'll see all of the different caffeine-free, and everything that we have available can be purchased through the store. Over under Manage, we're going to spend more time here in a later video, but important thing here is order history and profiles. Order history, you can see what you've ordered. You can also track it here by clicking on tracking, and you can see what you paid and have all the details at your fingertips. Finally, if you need to change anything under settings, this is where you can do so. You can change emails, phone numbers, usernames. You can also edit your referral code here. All right, so that is a kind of just an intro to your cloud, how to stay plugged in and how to get going. In the next video, we're going to talk about this thing called the Go Challenge. Don't hit that button just yet. We want to make sure that you're ready to hit it and you're ready to go. It's a very integral part of our business. Congratulations, you are now officially onboarded. You have the information that you need to create success in this business. Now it's just a matter of applying. Now it's just a matter of going and doing. I encourage you, now that you have the plugin, now that you're plugged into the Pulse, you're plugged into Facebook, you're plugged into your cloud office, my challenge to you is go. Who needs to hear about ketones? Who in your life will be impacted by this technology, by the power of what we have our hands on, by the power of this product? Because it is amazing what happens as you start to share it. So go and reach out to the people that you're working with, get support that you need, and let's absolutely charge forward.